when it's done, simply take it out and you see it is melted. Just like that. Now you see I'm putting sugar on a plate, and don't forget to mix the thing, yeah. And then get a piece of bread, and then dip it in and take it out and put it on top of the whole sugar, and then put it on a tray and do that over and over. Get as much, do that as until you have had enough bread. I'll just like fill the tray, the whole thing, finish the whole thing, and yeah. Feel free to add more sugar onto the plate when you have basically finished it. So, okay, I finished making these. Now, good a parent to do this job. You'd want to like put it in the oven right now. So, put this in the oven. How do you put it in the oven? Okay. Is it? No. How many degrees is the oven? The degrees. That's the oven. Turn the oven on 250 degrees, and get a parent or an adult to do that. And we just put it in. Now put in the bread into the oven, and you could like make it like warmer, like here I put it like 300 degrees, and wait until they're like crunchy.